with another lady.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Benoit County in the Panhandle of Idaho, northeastern Whitman County, southeastern Spokane County, and northeastern Washington until 6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 19 miles north of Colfax, Oregon, 28 miles north of Pullman, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Tico, O'Keefedale, Lake Tahoe, and Tensed. This includes yourself. Highway 95 in Idaho between mile markers 382 and 388.
What happened? I don't remember. Well, why don't you tell me what